Hi, welcome to Shikha's Skin and Hair Clinic. So today we'll be doing a hair PRP for the growth of the hair, and we are doing hair PRP through both methods, through injectables and through microneedling as well. So here I've taken blood sample from her blood and then got the plasma, and I'll be injecting this plasma, platelet rich plasma, into her scalp. She's having a little hair fall from this area. Moreover, hair lining is getting thin here, and the baldness can be seen in this area, in this crown area. So I'll be injecting the plasma very comfortably.
तो मैम ये पेशेंट को दर्द कितना
No pain. With injection, you can ask the client, आपको कितना दर्द हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा ना मतलब. See, this is non-surgical, very comfortable procedure, and this is we are doing through injectable, and I'll be showing the other method as well, which we are doing in this our clinic through microneedling. So now I'll be telling you the benefits of PRP. So this increases the hair growth, the thickness of the hair. You can have thicker hair.
तो मैम आप ये बताएं कि ये कितने दिन में रिजल्ट आने शुरू हो जाते हैं?
Result can be seen after 2 sittings, you can say, but I must suggest कि 3 to 6 sittings are necessary. 3 से 6 sittings आप लीजिए और उसके बाद you can have very good hair.
तो मैम कोई एज क्राइटेरिया भी होता है इसमें?
No age criteria, but yes, if the person is diabetic, if he is having HIV, if he is having any any kind of disease, then we have to consult, and then the growth of the hair matters for sure. Yes, it matters. But if the client is normal, if the medical conditions are normal, then it is good. Then it is no problem. The hair growth will be good. It is a non-surgical method, and it is non-invasive, very comfortable. इसका दर्द भी थोड़ी देर का होता है. कितना दर्द था? थोड़ी देर के लिए ना? हाँ,
आपको कितना दर्द हो रहा है?
ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा.
हाँ, तो इसमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा दर्द नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. क्लाइंट बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. We have mixed a meso cocktail as well, the growth factor. Along with her plasma, I have mixed some of my the growth factor plasma meso cocktail, जिससे हेयर ग्रोथ जो है वो अच्छी हो जाती है.